Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. Today we are comparing two of the latest electric scooters from Pure Electric, the Pure A⁴ Pro and Pure A⁴. Both scooters are built with the same core design philosophy of urban mobility, reliable commuting, and all-weather usability. But there are key differences that will matter depending on how far and how often you ride and what kind of performance you expect. Starting with Pure A⁴ Pro, this model is the higher end option in the fourth generation range. It comes with a powerful 710 watts peak motor and a nominal output of 500 watts, which allow for stronger acceleration and better performance on inclines. Maximum speed is 25 kilometers per hour. It offers a maximum range of up to 40 kilometers or about 25 miles on a single charge. The battery is rated at 9.6 amp per hour and charges in approximately 6 hours. The A⁴ Pro includes Pure Control steering stabilization, which improves ride stability by helping reduce wobbles at speed and reduce turns. It features large 10-inch tubeless air-filled tires that provide better shock absorption and fewer punches. The lighting system is enhanced with a 150 lumen front light, a rear brake light, integrated handlebar indicators, which improve visibility and safety in traffic. The scooter supports a maximum rider weight of 120 kilograms and carries an IP65 rating, which makes it full water resistant and suitable for use in heavy rain. In contrast, the standard Pure A⁴ is designed as a more accessible and affordable alternative. It shares the same 710 watts peak motor output but uses slightly smaller 7.2 amp per hour battery, which delivers a maximum range of up to 30 kilometers or roughly 19 miles. It also takes less time to charge, around 4 hours from empty to full. Like the Pro version, it has 3 ride modes: front drum braking combined with regenerative rear braking, a crisp LCD display, app integration, the same water-resistant IP65 rating, but it lacks the handlebar indicators and slightly longer range of the Pro. It still provides reliable performance for most city commute. Both scooters fold down easily and are relatively portable, with the A⁴ Pro weighs around 70 kilograms and the standard A⁴ coming in slightly lighter at about 15 kilograms. The build quality is solid across both models, with a focus on clean and minimal design and sturdy construction that feels durable during everyday use. The A⁴ Pro is best suited to riders who need greater range, more power, and extra comfort features. If you commute long distance, ride through variable terrain, or often travel in low light conditions, the Pro model offers extra value. It's also a good choice for heavy riders or those living in hilly area where the additional torque and battery capacity make a noticeable difference. The standard A⁴, on the other hand, is ideal for casual commuters, students, or anyone with shorter daily travel needs. It delivers excellent value, maintains essential features like the large tires, water resistance, and is easier to carry, store due to its lightweight. It is well suited to flat urban environments and a shorter journey, making it a dependable option for everyday local use. In conclusion, the Pure Air⁴ Pro is a premium long-range electric scooter with advanced comfort, safety features, while the Pure Air⁴ is a smart, affordable alternative for regular short-distance riders who still want solid performance and reliability. Both scooters reflect Pure Electric's focus on great products that will help customer commute or customer travel journey, designed to handle real city condition with minimal maintenance. Pure Air⁴ Pro and Pure Air⁴ electric scooter deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed.